So in my previous video, you saw how much home decor stuff I bought and I went crazy in my sale haul. Now in this video, we are going to see how I'm going to utilize some of these things that I purchased to decorate my house. So let's go get this going. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit the red button there and subscribe so that you don't miss any video in the future. The kids' bathroom counter looks like right now. It's really been bothering me for a while, and I think it desperately needs a makeover and a facelift, so to say. And I got quite a few things in my haul for this space, and let's see what we do with it. So this was the before and now the after. So this looks much prettier to me. It's so much more soothing to my eyes. Now you can see the basket from at home, the soap dispenser, the toothbrush holder, all of that from Home Center, and the green color very pretty cutwork glass bottle, which also I got from Home Center, but it was cheaper at home. In case you haven't seen my home decor haul video yet, the link is in the description box below. Go see that video, and all of those items are what I have used in this video, so don't miss that. So this is the basket, the expensive basket that I bought from at home, and all the different napkins. I have tried to color coordinate and keep the color scheme uniform in the bathroom now. So this is the bath mat that was right outside the kids' bathroom, and it had really gotten pretty messy. I think using a white bath mat for the kids wasn't really a good idea to start with, and it definitely needs to be changed. And I got quite a few bath mats from Westside, and this is where I'm going to use them. So moving on to the study table drawers. Pretty disorganized, I would say. Lots of papers, lots of pencils, erasers, scissors and whatnot. It's a never-ending thing, and lots of fights over it as well. So I'm going to organize this drawer using the wire rack organizer, forks and spoon organizer that I got, and it makes everything really organized and it looks so much better. And I love using this kitchen organizing unit in all my drawers wherever I can use them, especially the study table ones. So next on the agenda is this coffee table in my home, and first step is always to clean up the surface. All the things that tend to get accumulated on the surfaces need to go, and then we need to make them pretty with some of the things that I got in the sale haul video. So remember these two lotus that I had got from Westside? I'm so obsessed with the color. I'm just going to use these two on the table to decorate it, and I think it looks so minimal and beautiful. I love them. So now the couch is feeling a little left out and it needs a little bit of a makeover too, and why not? So the cushion covers that I bought from Westside are going to be used on my couch, and there you go, a nice fun pop of color, some birds, some botanical prints, and the couch looks very inviting and as good as new now. So next we need to tackle my study table. Please excuse the mess, it's thanks to a lot of work I was doing. Clean up the surface as always, that's step number 1, and it's a nice clean white surface, and this is what I did with it, and I'm so happy with the nice green color that I added, and it looks so soothing and relaxing and calming. I absolutely love it. So the candle you see is from Westside and it smells divine, and all the glass containers and canisters are from at home, and I love the green color, and I tried to buy them in the same kind of color family so that everything looks cohesive and nice. So remember the milk canister I bought from Westside? I decided to add that also to my table with the artificial flowers that I got from the same sale, and I love how this looks. It just adds a little bit of height and covers those ugly switches, and it adds some color as well and texture through the leaves and the flowers. So the forks and spoons container that I also got from the sale can of course be used for forks and spoons on the dining table or the kitchen, but if that's not your style, then you can use it the way I have used it, with a candle on one side and some leaves or flowers on the other side, or you could use two little planters in each and use that as a planter. So there are a lot of things that you can do, and things do not necessarily have to be used in the way that they are prescribed to be used. You can get very creative with them and use them for all different kinds of things. I had also got a few baskets which I want to use as storage from the Westside sale, and again, if you haven't seen the sale haul video, the link is in the description box. Do make sure to see that. It was a fun haul. So I am going to be using these baskets to store the kids' toys in them, and the bigger basket I am just going to use for some extra cushions and a throw and keep it near the sofa. For me to pull out whenever I need it and whenever I'm reading a book on the couch. And the other two baskets that I have, I'm going to fill them up with toys and other little knickknacks so that everything is organized, and I can use them to keep it on top of my cupboard so that the top of the cupboard looks very well organized and it looks really pretty and nice as well. The baskets add so much warmth and texture to the space. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. And don't forget to tell me in the comment section below which was your favorite item and how would you use it, and what are the other ways to use some of the items that you saw that maybe I didn't think of. I'll see you super soon. Bye.